Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to permanently delete your thumbnails or logos in Canva. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to the App Store and then in the search bar type Canva. Once you type Canva, here what you need to do is simply update it to the latest version. As you can see, an update is available, so simply just update it to the latest version. Once you have updated the app, simply go to the Canva app, and once you are in the Canva app, this interface will appear. Here what you need to do is you can simply come and tap on the three dots, then tap on move to trash, but it is only been moved to trash. Now what you need to do is simply tap on three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see the trash. You can simply tap on it, and that logo is right here, which you thumbnail, which you can delete from the three dots next to it. Simply tap on it and delete from trash. Now your item has been permanently deleted from Canva. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.